Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today to do a Goodwill outlet haul. No, this isn't an outlet, it's just a regular Goodwill haul. And I have been finding some things with different textures. That's kind of like my thing right now, looking for different textures that I don't have. And I found these for very cheap, so I picked them up. But this is like basically an evening gown, and I'm trying to branch out of my comfort zone of just bright or pastel colors, and this I thought would be useful in what I'm trying to do next. Well, maybe not next, but in some upcoming journals. This kind of shinier material and a darker color that than I usually work with. So I got that, and then I found these shorts with this textured kind of like upholstery material, so I thought that would be useful. And then I found this shirt, which I might wear it first, but I like this kind of shiny material, and the print is pretty cute too. And then I found this white dress with that same type of upholstery texture on it. And then I found this shirt. It's kind of like a chiffon type of material, and I don't have much of that yet. And I kind of want to use this to make like ruffles and stuff on the side of the page, and I like this kind of these nude mauvey blush kind of colors, so I got this. And then I found this is inside out because it has so much beading on it, and I've washed this already, but I've been looking for kind of like velvet material as well, and this is that darker color again that I want to start working with, so I got that. Another kind of mauve nude color, and it's like a lighter type fabric, so can't wait to work with these colors. And then this is corduroy, but it's in that kind of family of colors, like a darker mauve color, and it's definitely corduroy, but it has like kind of a velvet feel to it, and corduroy is good too as a texture, so I got that. I'm like, this is like weeks worth of stuff, so I'm like remembering what I got as I go through. This is a dress. It's a pretty fancy, what looks like it could have been from the 80s kind of dress, but it could be like vintage inspired. But it's a really, I mean, a very like distinct type of style. But of course I got it because I love the floral. It's a very bright white, so I could keep it like this, or I could like spray it or tea dye it to make it a little bit more vintage. And then I found this, which is textured, something I'm always looking for, textured and kind of sheer, and this bottom fabric too, like that kind of neutral color, and it's like a shinier material. All right, some more in that color, that family of colors. So I got that. And again, this, what is this? I don't even remember this. Oh yeah, this shirt. I might try to wear this first, possibly. but it's a lighter fabric as well. Not cotton. All right, let's keep going. I've been glowing like once a week, so I have found some pretty cool things. This is again a darker type color that I don't normally work with, but I'm trying to kind of branch out, and I love this material. It's kind of shiny, very light. And then this is another one of those like really thin fabrics, just more of a flowing fabric, and I love mint green, so I grabbed that. I love this color, this like grayish lavender color is such a cool color. It has a sheen to it, and it looks almost like glam to me, I think because it's this type of a dress. But it's just so pretty. I might want to wear this and not cut it up, but it's a medium, so it might be, I don't know if it's quite my size, but if I don't wear it, I could definitely use it. And it's very wrinkled because I've washed it a few times. And then this white fabric that almost feels like sari silk. I don't know if I really like the cutouts here. I wish they wouldn't have cut this out because I would rather have lengths of just the material itself. But I think I could use the inside fabric as well. And some more texture. So of course I'm always looking for texture. And then some of that nude material in the lining again. I think I have enough nude material. Maybe I can stop looking now. Some more nude colored material. Very light, flowy, chiffon-like, I think. And there's the lining as well that can be used. I love finding dresses because there's so much material. This is very textured. I love textured fabric like this, especially when it's white, because it adds so much interest, and then it's not too much on a page. I love this floral material. It looks vintage, even just as the fabric. It looks very vintage. I absolutely love it. I would love to turn this into a book cover. I had my eye on this for a couple weeks. Oh, it's Zara. So I guess it's kind of vintage inspired. Some velvet here, which is what I've been looking for. It's a little bit shinier than I would like, but I think it'll still look pretty. Little bits and pieces. This gray material, which I like this texture, and I like the like crochet type bodice here, and then this lace is so pretty, and I love gray. Gray is one of my favorite colors. And the lining is kind of a gauzy material, so I could definitely use that as well. And then this dress that has so many different textures, this shiny material, which I am in love with, this like chiffon darker material, and this kind of netting. Love that. And then this shirt. I thought this kind of texture would be good. for something. But yeah, so that's what I've gotten from the Goodwill over the last maybe month, 3-4 weeks. There will be more of these Goodwill hauls coming, not vintage, but different textures that I'm looking for. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.